Hi everybody, you're watching NDTV Swirlster, and today I have with me the Dr. Ortho Extra Soft Women's Slippers. Now I am going to show you a close-up of what they look like, but from afar this is the pair of slippers. Now they are general flip-flop style slippers. They have medium width and they also come with a special cushioned sole. Again, I will show you a close-up of them, but that's just a couple of the features of this pair of slippers. So keep watching this video to know more about this pair and my thoughts on them. Now the Dr. Ortho Extra Soft Slippers came in this transparent plastic packet. The slippers were included and inside they were stuffed with these two pieces of paper. That is the way they came delivered. The slippers look like this. This is a close-up of what they look like. This is what their sole looks like. As you can see, it tapers down towards the front right here and it becomes more of a wedge at the back. Although you can't feel the cushion, I am pressing down on it, and where my finger goes down, the bounce of the cushion really shows you the kind of softness that it has. The width of these slippers are medium and the interior of the straps are quite soft as well. At the back of them, they have details to add more friction to the back of the slippers when walking. So as you saw from the close-up of these slippers, I think the highlight of them really is their cushioned sole, and though you cannot feel it, they are really very cushioned. They are very comfortable and padded, so any kind of feet really will feel comfortable when wearing this pair of slippers. They are also anti-skid. As you saw from the back detailing right here, this kind of detail helps to add a lot of grip on the floor when you are walking and on different kind of surfaces as well. And like mentioned earlier, these straps are also made from material which is skin friendly, so you do not have to worry when you are wearing these slippers. Even for a prolonged amount of time, you won't have to worry too much about it causing blisters or causing redness, none of that. I found them very lightweight and very comfortable to wear. My soles of my feet were very comfortable in these slippers and I did not have any difficulty or any